Hey everybody, your friendly math tutor here with the Daily SAT Challenge, Thursday, August 6th, 2026. So we have this function. This is a very challenging problem. So I'm gonna have to do two things that are a little bit challenging. The first is to make sure that I have this set up for every 180 seconds. Well, this is in minutes, so hopefully we can do a quick conversion in our head that 180 seconds is 3 minutes. So what I want this to say is 40 times something to the t over 3. Because then when I plug in 3 for 3 minutes, then this is the thing essentially that's happening. And I'll explain that more in a second. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to make this r to the 1/2. Because when I raise a power to a power, I multiply. And 1/2 times t over 3 is t over 6. So I haven't changed anything. I just wrote it in a different way. So that's the first hard part of this. The next hard part of this is I'm going to give you a different example. Let's say it was 40 times 1.21 to the t. What this would tell us that is that every this amount of time, we would be multiplying by 1.21. And multiplying by 1.21, we should know at this point is just automatically in our head, we know that's a 21% increase. The way that I get 21 mathematically is I take 1 away from it and then multiply by 100. All right? So what I'm doing every 3 minutes is I'm multiplying by this. So the way that I go from this to the k% increase is I take away 1 and I multiply by 100, which is what B is saying. So you want to visualize like what you do automatically in a problem like this and then think about it mathematically. What is really happening is, again, we're taking away 1 and multiplying by 100. All right? Very, very difficult problem. Hope that helped.